for Lincoln, guys.
Looks like that's yes, we do have a tornado.
The west side of Lincoln.
Call your doctor if you see unexpected signs of early puberty in a child or signs in a woman, which may include changes in body hair or a large increase in acne, possibly exposure, breast cancer or pap, they might have prostate cancer. Very often a mother may become pregnant or breastfeeding should not use estrogen. Serious side effects include worsening of a large prostate, possible increased risk of prostate cancer, lower strength, swelling of ankles, upper body, enlarged or painful breasts.
Let's turn it off now. I think that's debris I'm seeing there.
And it's showing no signs of weakening. It would run the interstate just north of Lincoln, and then
Okay.
work its way
Whoa.
up in a fashion like this.
That's gonna hit the south side of Omaha.
Close to Ashland, possibly into Sarpy County.
Stupid
Again,
Wi-Fi.
you can't rule out the fact it may make a right turn, but on its current track, that storm is going to cross very close to or just north of I-80.
Oh, it's confirmed by... Holy crap, look at the hail on this thing.
And then swing across...
hail to the south of tennis balls.
Toward what appears, at least right now, toward Ashland and possibly into
So I was
Sarpy
streaming
County.
out in Lincoln when that happened.
That's the
See what it
situation.
has up here now.
Although there's a lot of development occurring.
Some report as of 3 minutes ago. Tornado on the ground, 2 miles north of Butte Crossing, but 1.5 miles south of I-80 at mile marker 369.
There is no activity, nothing to compete with. That is just an environment that says this storm's going to keep coming. It may make it to the Missouri and actually go beyond that and keep going into western Iowa.
That's going to be a long track
tornado producer.
Okay, Jim,
Go ahead.
I was going to say, we got Kelly out live. He's at Highway 77 and I-80, so he's plenty close to this. So we're going to go to Kelly right now. And Kelly Bartnick, what do you have for us out there?
Yeah, Jim, you know, we're right along Highway 77 here, right
Let me
at
try
I-80.
switching to
I'm
Omaha.
here and have you look here at the sky. Getting a little bit more darker, a little ominous here. And this is all just kind of rolled in here since we pulled off of the interstate just a few minutes ago. We're starting to see some thunder and some lightning.
There were no cooling degree days today, which is one below normal.
Water risk is still in place for Nebraska and Iowa. 11 reports of tornadoes today so far.
Is 38, which is 11 above normal. The highest wind gust observed was 32 miles an hour from the north. The normal high temperature for tomorrow is 73 degrees, and the normal low is 50.
I see what they were talking about earlier.
For tomorrow is 93, which occurred in 1986, and the record low is 32, which occurred in 2013.
Holy crap, they have a debris signature on there now.
Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:08 a.m. The Valley National Weather Service, Nebraska climate summary for the
So basically, last night, if you live out there in Nebraska or Iowa, please stay tuned to your TVs. This could be, especially with that storm west of Lincoln, that could be a long track tornado.